Hello and welcome. Are you over 50 or 60? Do you often feel weakness in your legs? Do your knees tremble when you climb stairs? Or do you need support just to get up from a chair? Pause. What if I told you the solution to these problems might be hiding in your kitchen in just one single spoon? Something you can take every night before bed that could help restore your leg strength and make you feel young again. Sounds incredible, right? In today's video, I'm going to talk about this exact simple night routine. Watch till the end because this one spoon might just change your life. Just one spoon to change your life. Look, as we age, it's very natural to experience sarcopenia or muscle loss. Our muscles, especially in our legs, begin to weaken. This leads to slower mobility, a lack of balance, and a much higher risk of falling. We often blame it on old age, but the truth is with the right nutrition and an active lifestyle, we can significantly slow down this process. So, what is this magical one spoon? It is ashwagandha powder with a tiny pinch of turmeric. Ashwagandha plus turmeric equals power source. For thousands of years in Ayurvedic medicine, ashwagandha has been known as a Rasayana, a rejuvenator. It helps reduce your stress and promotes deep, restful sleep. And when you sleep deeply, your body does its most important work, muscle repair. When you add a pinch of turmeric, its active compound curcumin works to reduce inflammation in your body, which is excellent for joint pain. Together, these two ingredients can work wonders in boosting your muscle strength and reducing fatigue. And this night routine is incredibly simple. Every night, about 30 minutes before you go to sleep, take 1 glass of warm milk. Add 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder and just a pinch of turmeric powder. Mix it well. Pause. If you are lactose intolerant, you can also take this with warm water. Try this consistently for 21 days and you will feel the difference yourself. Now, remember, this one spoon isn't a magic pill on its own. You should also combine this with at least 15 minutes of light walking or simple leg exercises every day and a balanced diet. But this night routine can significantly speed up your recovery and restoration process. Disclaimer: if you have any pre-existing health conditions or are on medication, please consult your doctor before starting. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Share it with the seniors in your family, it might help them too. And for more effective health tips like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay healthy and stay strong.